Take a look at a gaming headset. It's 7.0 surround sound. If you guys can see it, it's very flexible. All this is removable and is very soft. Pleather in the top, pleather on the actual headsets. If you guys can see that, very like I said, they're flexible, right? And then the best part of it, you can remove this, which is a microphone. If you just want to listen to music or so forth, you can do that. They give you the wireless USB. It's a USB wireless device that you have. You could charge them with a Type C connection, if you guys can see it. An external audio cord, a 3.5 jack, you could connect in here. The buttons are simple to follow. You got your power, you got your volume, you got your mute, and your volume down. All right, very simple, easy to drive. Now, I like the aesthetics of the lighting, the RGB lighting that comes on. All right, we're gonna turn it on right now. So to turn it on, just hold on the power button. All right, beautiful aesthetic lights that they has. All right, microphone's really loud. So when I was playing PlayStation 5, at the other end, they're saying, "Hey, you got to turn it down a little bit." So I was able to move the mic away from my mouth and play with the actual volume settings on the actual PlayStation. I was able to control it. It works better on a PC because you have more options to control, but on the PlayStation you're limited to some of the stuff. So if you guys notice, it's plugging in right now. So it's trying to find the wireless. We're going to set it up and let's go ahead and bring it on the laptop.
All right, we're gonna capture from my laptop right now, just directly to it, so you guys can see it. So I'm gonna tap it a couple times just to test it out. That the audio is coming from my mouth. So just by tapping it, you'll hear the actual sense. Right now we have full volume up on that, and test 1, 2, 3. So I'm trying to move the microphone so it won't go into the red on the actual, pick up any distortion or anything like that. But so far, I mean, the audio's really good. I mean, at the other end, and not only that, when I was playing, I was actually competing with my other headset, which one I'm going to use, either this one or that one. So one of those two things, that I was able to play Call of Duty Apex, and I was able to hear everything from every direction. Very simple to use for PC, PlayStation 4, Xbox, Switch. Pretty much this is compatible with everything that's out there. One of the things I like about it, the actual controls, the buttons. You have to memorize all the buttons. Just make sure that you mute yourself, because it's kind of hard to, and it turns off. 5, 4, 3. So I just hit the mute button, and sometimes you hear a beeping sound. That's pretty much, but there's no LED light that turns on or anything like that. It just blinks a little bit red, and that's pretty much it. I like the RGB lighting. If you guys can see on both ends, it's beautiful at night too. It looks it stands out in the room, to be honest with you. If you have plenty of gamers in one single room, or you're going to a LAN party, this is a perfect microphone. You could walk many walls and it still capture a good signal. Now, the thing that it comes with the USB, it's very compatible with, like I said, PC, PlayStation, Xbox, pretty much anything that has a USB connection. But overall, the unit's very sturdy, very strong, and like I say, very flexible. I hope you guys enjoy the video.
All right, we're gonna test out these new headsets. We're playing PlayStation 5. We play our usual Apex. I can hear pretty good. On the other end, it sounds okay. The microphone's adjustable. I like that. There is a mute button that you have to push if you want to push the button. I like the lighting itself. The microphone is detachable, so if the microphone is not working, you could detach it. Let me mute the button. I just got to figure out the second button. So I just muted myself. Can you hear me, Stagger? Stagger. All right, there we go. Can you hear me, Stagger? All right, loud and clear. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and play Apex for a bit.